Stabilizing the electrode array. Select Maintenance on the main menu. To stabilize, press the plus or minus buttons to set the timer to the desired time in minutes in the stabilize frame. Select the radio button for the rinse station containing the buffer solution. Fill the appropriate rinse station with the buffer solution. Press the Start Timer button. This time interval displays on the counter in the center of the window. The title changes to Stabilizing Time Remaining. The electrode array moves to the selected rinse station and the counter starts counting down to 0. When the count reaches 0, the electrode array retracts. At any point, you may stop the counter by pressing the Stop Timer button. This resets the counter to 0 and retract the electrode array. Note: the radio button selection requires different rinse stations to be used for chloriding and stabilizing.